Krishna friends, welcome to Ask Hitesh Astrology. Krishna is happiness, Krishna ही खुशी है, as I always say. And today we'll talk about the Libra sign, about their horoscope for the month of May. And please subscribe the channel before I start the video. Please like it, comment it, keep supporting as you are doing, and please push the notification bell also, so you would get all my videos that I post time to time. If you have any queries, if you want to take consultations from me, then also you can contact me. My number keeps flashing in the video and it's always given in the description of the video below. You can contact me through the email also. If you want to study Jyotish in a very simple manner, in a spiritual manner, then also you can contact me on the same numbers or through the email for the course and for the fee structure. So this month of May for the Libra sign people is going to be good. I would say, like, some of the problems are going to be removed from your life. This month is going to be great in so many things. Then there are some kind of things that are still to be looked upon, still to be, you have to be careful about them. And then there are remedies to be done if there are some kind of problems that I'll be telling in the video. So please listen to that also. So your intuition, like whatever your mind or your thoughts are going to tell you this month, you have to trust them, because most of the time they'll be correct. Your inner feelings, your inner thoughts that will be coming for anything, that you have to listen to that inner voice of yours for any suggestions or situations you are into, and it is really going to help you. And this is the time where you will go into study of some spirituality or research or occult knowledge you are going to take. You will be interested into those kind of things also. If you are having some kind of problem related to your life, you'll try to solve it through astrology, or maybe you will go towards some kind of teachers or counselors to gain some kind of help, like in whatever problems if you are having in your life. And you will be like highly secretive also, like whatever you will be doing in your life this month, you will keep it a little hidden. You will be investigating also about some kind of things, maybe some kind of your personal things, you will like to keep them hidden also. And then at the same time you will be quite investigating also. You will be trying to know some of the things maybe that are going to help you with your finances, or something from the educational front. If you are into any kind of research, this month is going to be very good for that. It is good time to earn from speculation, stocks, lotteries, from all those kind of things. Shares, you can invest into it and you will be getting good money also. Suddenly you can expect some great money from the property business also. If you are into some kind of property, if you want to sell some kind of property, you may gain from those kind of things also. Restlessness is going to be there at your home, at domestic front, maybe because of some relatives, maybe because of some things at home. The things will be stable, but still there are going to be some kind of confusion, and you have to keep your mood very balanced. And you shouldn't actually fight with anyone at this time at your home. Regarding your mother also, you have to be a little careful. Maybe she is not doing very well at this time. Maybe you will have some kind of maybe differences or problem with your children also, though they'll be doing good in whatever they are doing, but still maybe they'll go through some kind of impulsiveness or rashness in their mood, like in this month. So you have to tackle that also. But that is very sure, you are going to be more logical, you are going to be more creative in whatever you are going to do. So in all those areas it is going to help you, like this month is going to help you. Your partners are going to help you very much. They'll be in full support of you. And one of the most important point is you have to listen to your partner's advice also. You'll be having good passion between you and your partners, but you shouldn't go into any kind of like other things that are not needed at this time. And your extracurricular activity that you shouldn't do, you shouldn't enter into all those kind of things, and things are already not going good at present, so you shouldn't go into all those kind of things. Yes, you'll go into any kind of mantras, pujas, siddhis, whoever is into any kind of communication business or service, they are going to do very good. Maybe they'll find some kind of new jobs, new promotions, and like promotions they'll find, or new positions, or some new responsibilities you are going to find, and you are going to be a little more aggressive on the wealth front. Like you'll be wanting to make money more nicely, or rather you'll be very much charged up in making the money. So all those kind of thoughts and thinkings will be there. You'll be meeting maybe some kind of new people also, though they will help you in your quest for making more money, or what to do. But with all this, your partners, they are going to give you the good support, and you will use other people's money also. So that means you are going to get some kind of loans if you want. So or maybe they'll lend you some money, or maybe without any interest you can get some money from your friends or that sort, and you can use that money for your purpose, for your business, for enhancement or advancement of your business or the things that you want to do. Luck is going to favor you for any of the things that you are going to do regarding deep research, knowledge, and all those kind of things. Though sometimes you will feel like the matters are a little bit delayed or those kind of things, but surely after 15th of May you are going to find good relief. Like if any of the problems were going on with your life partner, those things are going to be sorted out, and any of the problems regarding your business, or maybe if the things were not moving, or if you are having some kind of problems also with anyone, any enmity, any discussions and any arguments, those also will be solved after maybe 15th of May. You will find a relief in that. And but I would say, like after 15th of May, the things will be better in the relationship status. It is going to be good. You are going to do good. You are going to make good money also. Maybe some kind of secret work you are going to do, or maybe you will get some kind of new jobs. As I have told you, you will suddenly do some kind of new things that are going to work out. But at the same time, there are chances that you can lose money also after 15th of May. So you shouldn't invest any kind of money into share or stocks after that, after 15th of May. If you want to invest, you should do before that. And sometimes your elder brother also, they can also be the point of loss to you after 15th of May, or your friends or anyone of that sort. You shouldn't indulge in too much of like intoxications or eating unhealthy eating habits, because that is going to give you trouble. You should take care of your stomach also. Whatever you are eating also, you should actually take care of that also. It is very important for the Libra sign people this month. And as I have told you, like luck is going to favor you. Like it is going to support you from any unexpected problems that are going to come to your life. So you will be saved in that way. But many other things, the things will be delayed, and you should take control of your blood pressures or those kind of things also after 15th of May. Or maybe you'll find a little bit low confidence also at times, or a bit cheated. So you should restrict your friend circles at this time. You shouldn't actually go with all the kind of people, and you should only depend on the people you know very well. So because after that, after 15th of May, they may be a cause of your worry or something like that. You should restrict your friend circle at this time, and you should take care of any kind of accidents also after 15th of May. Otherwise, things are looking good. Like health wise, it will be good. It's not not big problems are coming, but you should take care of your father also. Maybe he's also into some kind of disease, or he may fall sick during this month. So you should look after him also if there are certain kind of problems. So for business, I would say, for service, things are looking good. You'll get your chances, fair chances. Some of your matters that were actually into a fix, they are going to start running. You may get a new job also. See, foreign engagements are also seen, some kind of jobs from there, some kind of things are going on. Maybe you'll get that also, some kind of unexpected money, some kind of property matters will be solved. All those kind of things will be very good for you. If you are into any kind of research, that is going to help you very much. If you are into any kind of foreign companies, if you are into with them, you are going to gain position recognition. Maybe you'll get a pay hike also at this time when the things are not going good. So in all those sort, the things can be better for you. Like when the things are not going good for people, it can turn out to be good for you, but for certain matters it's not really good. And those matters you have to look, like with the children also, there can be some kind of problem or arguments with your mother, with your father. You yourself have to take care of yourself, because some kind of accidents, overindulgence in things, and depending on friends, like, and then there can be some kind of problems related to them also. So this month I would say it is going to give you some kind of relief, like there is going to be good bonding between you and your life partner. Some of the obstacles or obstructions are going to be removed, like with your business partners, or the things that you are wanting to do, or the people you are meeting with them, like within that circle you will be honored, your position will increase in that, you will be heard, like whatever you are going to say, you will get some kind of position there also. And if you are having some kind of problems with the business partners and all those things, that will also be solved. But the problem is, like, the luck is not in much favor of you this month. So you, whatever you do, you have to do with full planning, with full responsibility. You shouldn't do anything in impulsiveness or rashness. Money, actually you are going to eye on that, and you are going to go after that also. And for that you have to be a little balanced, and you have to think from mind, whatever things are good, the things that can run properly, that you can do within your reach, you have to do that. Otherwise, if you will go like overextend yourself, then there can be problems. Otherwise, this month is going to give you lots of opportunities also, lot of problems you will get rid of, but at the same time you have to be careful also. So I would say it is a balanced month. So you will be getting lot of comforts, luxury, property, from money from property. Before 15th you are going to get your shares also, lotteries also, gambling, mutual funds, you can gain money from that also. And after that there is going to be a little problem if you are going to invest in all those sectors. And if you are having any kind of problem this month, please feed a cow, it is very important for you. And then please give water to sun daily, it is going to help you very much. And Krishna is always with you. Jai Shri Krishna.